Happy Tuesday. Let's go over the 2 pages for today for week 4 of our Science Digital Learning. So we were supposed to read and answer questions on page 147 and 148. At the top of the page, they wanted us to circle the names of the organs that provide chemicals for the body to perform chemical digestion. Then they wanted us to place a pathway of food through the body in sequential order. So label it 1 through 6. So where does the food start and where does it end? All right, so the parts of the body that help with chemical digestion are the salivary glands, the liver, the gallbladder, pancreas, and small intestine. Then we start with where the food travels and ends up. So first it's in the mouth with these other organs. Then it goes to the esophagus. Then it travels, over here, to the stomach. Once it's done in the stomach, it travels to the small intestine, then to the large intestine, and lastly, it will end up in the rectum. And then at the bottom of the page, notice there's a star, so your answer could be different than mine. So it says, write arguments. Your sister claims that the digestive system works by itself to give your body energy. She states that small branches from the stomach get food to the body cells. Use evidence to support or refute her statement. So I went ahead and said the digestive system relies on other systems, including the skeletal and muscular systems, to break down the food you eat. Once nutrients are processed, the digestive system does not directly transport energy and nutrients to the cells. The circulatory system does this. So I went against what she was saying, and I made sure to leave evidence to refute her statement. Let's go ahead and check out the next page. Okay, for this page, there was a lot of questions, and this is page 148. So let's go through the questions and the answers. Remember, if there's a star, your answer could be slightly different from mine. Number 1. Suppose your immune system needed help killing a bacterial infection. You took a prescribed antibiotic that killed off all the bacteria in your body. How would this affect your digestive system? So the answer, it could affect digestion in the large intestine where bacteria are active. It would kill the bacteria there, produce vitamin K, so a deficiency could occur. Number 2, how can food labels help determine the amount of nutrients in a food? The large the percent in the daily value column, the more of the nutrients is in the food. So I think this should actually say the larger the percent. So if the percentage is large in the daily value column, that means it's going to have more nutrient for us. Number 3, by analyzing the nutrients in a food, how would you persuade a classmate that the food is healthy or not? Support your claim. Healthy food should have many nutrients, including carbohydrates, protein, fat, vitamins, and minerals, but should limit simple sugars, sodium, and saturated fats. Let's move to number 4. How does the release of energy and nutrients from digestion help the rest of the body's systems? So the digestive system breaks food down so that the energy and nutrients in food are available to the body. Without energy and nutrients, the other systems could not function. Number 5. Both the liver and the pancreas are responsible for producing enzymes that aid in digestion. What other functions do each perform for the body system as a whole? So the liver also stores some vitamins and filters the blood. The pancreas produces trypsin, which breaks down proteins, but also makes insulin to regulate blood sugars. And let's look at the bottom of the page. So for this, it said, consider how your dietary needs might differ from someone else's, and how might you need to modify your diet based on a day's activities. Why is it important to eat a variety of different foods? So if I rely on a variety of different foods, there is a greater likelihood of getting all the nutrients I need each day, because no single food source can provide them all. So you want to make sure you're eating a variety of types of foods. All right, that's all we had to do for today. I'll see you tomorrow with Wednesday's work.